Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Camera on S7, S8 and Note 8 EXYNOS version. First of all, you need to download the app, which works in the EXYNOS device. I will put the link in the description below. So after you install the app, you will need to set up the Gcam. So there are two ways to set up the Gcam. First is the day mode setup and also the night mode setup. In this video, I will just show you the day setup. I will upload another video soon on how to set up for night shots. First, you'll need to go to the settings. You can turn off the save location and camera sound settings if you want to. Then, change the config to Pixel 2017. Turn on the live HDR and go to the other settings. Last, you can increase the final JPEG quality to 100%, but it will increase the size of the photo. When you go back to the viewfinder, remember to switch the HDR mode to HDR plus Enhance. After all the settings, you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to leave a like.